Hey, what's up everybody? It's Adam with DIY Agency, and today I want to kind of walk you through the importance of attention grabbing. A lot of people ask me, hey, is it better to advertise on Google or Facebook? And the people that like to do Facebook ads are really focused on trying to be very specific with who they're reaching out to. Like, hey, Pennsylvania roofing homeowners that need roofs, or hey, dentists in Phoenix. And I want to kind of, in the background, you'll see this sign spinner here. And the reason I want him there is because he's grabbing attention for a business. And it all starts with attention. If you don't see this person doing this remarkable thing first, you'll never know about the move-in specials. So I can be very specific and say, hey, college students looking for a move-in special, we've got $100 off per month, blah, 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 blah. But none of that ever matters if you don't grab their attention first. So I love Google ads because you can be very laser targeted. People that are actively searching. People on Google are always actively searching. So if they're looking specifically for a dentist in Phoenix, then you just need to kind of stand out a little bit with your ad on Google. But there's a lot of people that are actually in need of a dentist in Phoenix, for example, that don't know about it. They've been thinking about a pain in their tooth, or they know that they've got a crooked tooth and they're looking for somebody to straighten their teeth out, but they're just not actively searching for it. And those are the people that you have to grab their attention first, then talk about the pain point, then talk about the offering, and then ask them to buy. And that's the way you effectively market on Facebook. So yes, you can absolutely be very specific and looking for housewives that are 35 to 44, and have an attention-grabbing headline saying, hey, soccer moms, and that way you're very specific to them. But they'll never see the hey soccer moms or that specific headline unless you do something to grab their attention. So I just wanted to point this out because a lot of people kind of miss the boat and they think Facebook ads don't work because they don't have any attention grabbing headlines. They don't have any attention grabbing graphics. They don't have any video going on. So there's nothing to grab their attention to then offer their product or service. And so people will never ever buy if they don't know who you are, and the first way to get them to understand that is by grabbing their attention. So I hope this video has helped. If there's anything that you do well that grabs attention, please leave it in the comments, and thanks for watching.